Australia, a land of vast landscapes and breathtaking scenery, is best explored on the open road. For those looking to immerse themselves fully in the Australian outback experience, the Jayco JRV campervan offers the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and adventure. Designed specifically for Australian roads, this campervan is an excellent choice for both seasoned travelers and those new to the camper lifestyle. The Jayco JRV is more than just a vehicle, it's a home on wheels. Equipped with modern amenities, it ensures that travelers can enjoy the beauty of Australia without sacrificing comfort. The campervan features a fully functional kitchen, complete with a stove, microwave, and refrigerator, allowing for the preparation of meals on the go. The sleeping quarters are cozy and well-appointed, offering a comfortable retreat after a day of exploration. Additionally, the bathroom facilities are designed with convenience in mind, featuring a shower and toilet. One of the standout features of the Jayco JRV is its drivability. Despite its size, the campervan is easy to maneuver, making it suitable for navigating both city streets and rugged outback trails. The vehicle is designed to handle the unique driving conditions of Australia, ensuring a smooth and safe journey. The high driving position provides excellent visibility, and the advanced safety features, including a reversing camera and lane departure warning system, add an extra layer of security. Driving on the left side of the road is a distinctive aspect of Australian motoring. For visitors from countries where driving is on the right, this might seem daunting at first. However, the Jayco JRV is designed to ease this transition. The vehicle's controls are intuitively placed, and with a bit of practice, driving on the left becomes second nature. For those new to this experience, it's recommended to start on quieter roads before venturing into busier areas. The freedom offered by a campervan is unparalleled. With the Jayco JRV, travelers can set their own pace and explore destinations off the beaten path. Whether it's the pristine beaches of the Gold Coast, the rugged terrain of the outback, or the lush rainforests of the Northern Territory, the possibilities are endless. This level of freedom allows for a truly personalized travel experience, where the journey is just as exciting as the destination. Moreover, the Jayco JRV is built with sustainability in mind. Its efficient fuel consumption and eco-friendly features, such as solar panels and water-saving technologies, make it a responsible choice for environmentally conscious travelers. This commitment to sustainability ensures that the natural beauty of Australia can be enjoyed by future generations. In conclusion, the Jayco JRV campervan is an ideal vehicle for exploring the diverse landscapes of Australia. Its combination of comfort, convenience, and drivability makes it a perfect choice for those looking to embark on an unforgettable adventure. Whether you're a local or a visitor, the Jayco JRV offers a unique way to experience the wonders of Australia, all from the comfort of a well-equipped home on wheels. So pack your bags, hit the road, and let the adventure begin.